सुपर कार में आ गया। आजा जूजू, तुम्हें कुछ बहुत मजेदार सिखाने वाला है। चलो जल्दी से शुरू करें।
We need to assemble a timber loader. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Pump. We did it! This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to send the train to the depot. Let's assemble the Draysine. That's all. Let's load the empty bags onto the Draysine. We did it! Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the Draysine. We did it! We need to assemble the minecart. You're doing really great. Now let's load the materials into the minecart. We did it! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a garbage car. We did it! Let's mark the containers in the garbage car. Keep up the good work. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's wash the garbage car. That's all. Let's assemble the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. Amazing! Let's repair the railroad station. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. Amazing! And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop! And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Press the pump. We did it! Let's install new roof and windows. Let's send the train to the depot. Let's assemble the bucket lift. You're doing really great. Now let's load the decorations into the bucket lift. Done! Let's install the station clock. Let's send the train to the depot. Choose the door of the right shape and tap on the arrow to direct the train to the depot. Choose. We need to assemble the locomotive. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the locomotive. Press the pump. You're doing really great. We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. We need to wash the locomotive. Ready. Let's assemble the train. Go on. You're doing really great. The station is working. Now wizards can go on a journey. Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना मत भूलना, जल्दी करो।